What's up, Otaku fam? We are the Otaku Couple, back with more reactions here for the channel with some more JaidenAnimations. My birds laid eggs.
Aww, really?
I assume so. It's what the title of the video is. We know she's got two birds, so I guess it's possible that they laid eggs. We're gonna find out. Y'all be sure to check out Jaiden and the rest of her videos. You will not be disappointed. And while you're at it, be sure to check out our playlist of Jaiden Animation reaction videos. It'll be linked down below. Thank you guys for the continued support. Let's hop on in.
Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've had a story to tell, but I have a story to tell, and it's because my birds accidentally laid eggs together without my consent. Okay, so let's back up. I'm sure the majority of you know this guy right here, Ari. Classic
Yeah.
piece in the JaidenAnimations
I did think
lore.
Ari was
If
a
you don't know
guy,
him,
so I
you
was
don't know me. I keep Ari in his own room because he destroys literally anything if he has access to it. In a way, you could call it a containment room. But when I'm not around to give him attention, I wanted to make sure he has a friend around and isn't just sitting there all alone and pitiful like. So back in October 2019, I got
The
Tofu,
Wind Waker
which,
music.
oh my god, I'm just realizing is much longer ago than I thought. Tofu, I thought you were still just a baby. She definitely isn't as well known as Ari, but we're talking about her now. I was so nervous back when Tofu first arrived because I obviously hadn't gotten any other pets before, and it was really important that she and Ari actually got along. Birds can be pretty particular, and some just flat out hate each other for no apparent reason. Some sort of bird drama or something, I don't know.
Not
I was
the
worried
bird
my
drama.
Birds were gonna mean girls each
Damn.
other, and then suddenly I'd have two singular birds, which then doubles my original problem. I went through the typical process you're supposed to do
Steps to make
introduce
bird
them,
pals.
keep them in separate areas for a bit, let them kind of see each other, slowly introduce them in small doses, and suddenly they were best friends. I was so happy. Plan B of having to get 4 birds was now not necessary. So great, everything was going according to plan. I have 2 birds that can keep each other company when I'm not around. Nothing.
They can
I love
really
how
keep each other
Plan B was
company.
get double the birds again.
What if they hated each other?
She would have got 4 birds.
That's what I mean. What if those...
Then 8. There's no end to the amount of birds Jaiden is willing to get.
Plan B of having to get 4 birds was now not necessary. So great, everything was going according to plan. I have 2 birds that can keep each other company when I'm not around. Nothing could possibly go wrong when there's a pair of animals that get along very well.
Doubt.
It was a
Right.
peaceful, happy 3 years of 2 birds who were besties until this past spring where everything went wrong. How could this happen? I walked into the birds' room to give them their morning food, and on their dresser, I find 3 tiny little eggs. Oh, uh-oh. And by the way, when I say tiny, I mean you would be shocked to see how small bird eggs can be. These things were the size of a quarter. Some of you may be thinking, Jaiden, why is this a bad thing? Jaiden, it's the gift of life. This is a beautiful moment of miracles. Okay, sure, but actually, no. First of all, I don't want more birds, especially fragile little fresh out the egg ones. Remember when I was worried I'd have to get 4 birds if Ari and Tofu didn't like each other? Why am I experiencing the same dilemma again? 2 birds is already enough, especially since one of them has devoted his entire life to being a full-time bastard. Anyone who has a gremlin pet understands that
Yes.
that creature is equal to like
Yes.
3 pets worth of energy. It's
Yes, go pick her up. Show her to the world. Hello, world. Let us introduce you to Gremlin. Child. Don't be fooled by the face. Don't be fooled by
Don't
the
be
face.
fooled by this. She's trying to be cute. She's trying to be cute
She
right
knows
now.
when she's on camera. This is a game.
She's a little gremlin.
She is a crackhead little gremlin. You are
How you showed them how crazy you are.
being a little hoe. Lying to the camera.
You think you're so cute right now. No, you can be down. No, don't come back
No,
over here.
no. We
Trying
know.
to be all fucking cute and shit.
Carry
full on to
on.
handle at all times, and if my plate gets any more full, I'll unlock alcoholism. Second of all, this is now my problem that I need to handle ASAP. I
Correct.
can't be like, oh, I'm busy right now, I'll deal with it later. No, procrastinating would only lead to possible hatching. Not 100%, but there's a chance. I'll get to that later. Which leads back to my prior statement that I've stated multiple times at this point of I don't want more birds. Immediately, I was like, how did this happen? I've been preventing them from laying eggs together for so long. What changed? Unlike cats and dogs, birds can't really be neutered, at least not easily. You could give them like monthly hormone shots or there's other stuff, but it's just really complicated. And you're better off simply making sure their environment is set up in a way to discourage nesting and egg laying behavior. There's a few things you could do to prevent it, but to sum things up, basically, don't let the birds nest. If they find a dark little hidey hole, they'll start treating it like a nest and get hormonal, and suddenly you've got eggs. No nesting, for the most part, no problem. I looked around the room and was so confused. All they had in there were their cages, climbing tree, and a drawer I bought to hold all their bird stuff. And the eggs were just on the top of the drawer too, not even in a safe burrowed nest-like place. One had already rolled off the side and cracked open on the floor like
Oh, damn.
Tofu, this is not even close to motherly instinct. After a bit of snooping around, I pulled the drawer.
Just the face of like, nah, I think it's fine. Afterwards. Hold on.
Close to motherly instinct.
Look at that. Look at that face like, I don't know. I think it's fine. I think you're overreacting, Mom. I think it's fine.
I also feel like this is what Jaden would do in a situation like that if the roles were reversed.
Yes.
Because I would do the same thing. Like, it's fine, right?
Builds character.
After a bit of snooping around, I pulled the drawer back from the wall to realize, oh my god, these birds have been secretly burrowing into the back of this drawer like they were plotting a prison escape. Somehow, Ari and Tofu squeezed their tiny bodies in between the drawer and the wall and started chewing the back of it to get into the drawers from behind. They literally gnawed through it like the nematodes in SpongeBob. You should have seen all the sawdust on the floor. Well, here's a picture, but it doesn't do it justice. It looked like a construction site and smelled like Home Depot. Suddenly, it made sense. They were using the drawer as a secret nest. Whenever I was in the room, they were out and about. Hi, Mom, please give us seeds. Nothing nefarious is going on. I leave, and boom, straight to the forbidden nesting drawer they go. Criminals. As I'm connecting dots on how we got to this point, I realized I don't even know which one of these knuckleheads even laid the eggs. When I got Tofu, I made sure she was a girl. A little lady. I talked to one of my bird knowledgeable friends when I was considering getting another, and she recommended a female bird because there was a higher chance Ari would get along with her more than a male bird. So Tofu has been DNA checked and female certified. However, way back when I got Ari, I never got him / her checked.
Gender, I don't know.
On your genders can only be confirmed through DNA tests, and there wasn't really any important reason to know Ari's gender at the time. So I just didn't. Over the years, I've just started calling him my big man because of the way he acted and behaviors he displayed felt very obnoxiously masculine. But it's always more of a gut feeling above anything else. But I am now facing a possible reality that my bird I've had for 7 years that I've been headcanoning is male could have been female this whole time and is the potential mother of these confusing eggs. Because yes, birds don't need a male around to lay eggs. Think about it like chickens. They just be laying eggs out the wazoo without a rooster in sight. They don't care. Boom, egg. If it's a girl bird, that thing can lay eggs whether you or a male bird wants it to or not. So in this situation, Ari possibly being a girl is the thing that's blowing my mind the most. But one quick peek at their little bird booty hole swiftly gave me the answer. It was definitely Tofu. If you know, you know. I'm just saying, laying 3 eggs a quarter the size of your whole body biologically does something to you. Anyway, I immediately booked a vet visit for Tofu. Laying eggs drains birds of their calcium and overall health, so I wanted to make sure she was generally okay. The vet took a look at her and was like, she looks fine, she's acting fine, we'll give her some vitamins, but she's still got more eggs in her. So how many of those things you're gonna cook up? Also, we gotta limit this whole ordeal to as minimal as possible, please, because that vet bill was not fun. We can't be making this a routine occurrence. It's no mystery laying eggs can also be pretty dangerous for birds. There's a chance it could get stuck and the bird just dies. And
I didn't
yes,
think
really
of that,
didn't
but
want
that
to
makes
happen,
sense.
So every egg meant an extra mountain of stress and anxiety for me. Yippee! The vet told me conures typically lay eggs every other day, so once she goes a few days without laying any, then I can come back and get her another checkup to really make sure she's all good. So I let time
Just
pass,
look it up like, "Hi,
and
Mom."
in total, Tofu ended up laying 8 freaking eggs.
Good
She was
God.
not supposed to lay that many. Normally conures lay clutches of like 4 or 5, so she basically laid 2 birds worth of eggs. I don't know what to do. But all right, she's finally done. We can now move on to the second step in the what to do when your bird lays eggs without your permission plan. I have to swap out the eggs for fake ones. If I just yoink Tofu's eggs away, she's gonna be like, what the my eggs? Dude, what the hell? I just laid those. And she's biologically programmed to start laying more to replace them. Luckily, my friends Jordan and Kelsey
I didn't
had
know
some fake
that.
conure eggs because coincidentally, their bird laid eggs like 6 months prior to Tofu, so they already went through this process and were definitely supplying me with mental support. They lent me their fake eggs, I swapped them out, and perfect. Tofu is now trying to be a mother of 8 balls of plastic. After a few weeks of them not
the blink, the blink got me, bro.
So this is me because I don't know how birds work,
God.
obviously.
Also,
Can
that
you
face.
prevent that? Like, now that she's had eggs, is there a way to make that not a... And I'm sure Jaiden might go into this. If not, then bird owners, please, because I don't understand how birds work. Yeah, like, once you have eggs, can you stop that from happening? I mean, I assume, like, yeah, she's going to take away their potential nesting with the shelf thing, but it's like, what's to stop them from, like, I guess chewing through the walls and making a nest
don't
through
know.
there or some shit? I don't know. I'm just curious to see if they're...
I guess she's just gonna have to keep a closer eye on things.
Yeah.
and perfect. Tofu is now trying to be a mother of 8 balls of plastic. After a few weeks of them not hatching, she'll move on, forget all about them, and everything will return to normal. It was a successful heist, as in I gave them both treats, stole all their eggs right in front of them, and they did not notice. You might be realizing, even though Tofu's eggs won't hatch, I still am in possession of actual real bird eggs that may or may not be fertilized. Yep, as much as Ari could have been the mother, he could also be the father. We don't know. Big drama. Are you the father? More like, is there even a father? After consulting with the vet and various bird resources, I basically had to make sure no birds could start growing in them just in case. Even though it's very likely they were just empty little chicken eggs, we couldn't run the risk.
Geez, so many ads.
Right.
By the various resources aforementioned, I was given a few options. I was told I could smash them, which felt a tad bit too violent for me. Oh, Tofu, are these your little eggs? The first eggs you've ever laid in your life? Absolutely not. I could freeze them, just put them in a little container, pop them in the freezer, and there you go. But the last option, which sounded the most insane in my opinion, was to boil them. Make tiny little boiled eggs. Why does that one sound the most deranged and psychopathic? I know people consume all types of bird eggs all over the world, but boiling my own conures eggs just feels way past the line in mental sanity. So I popped them in the freezer to hang on to whatever humanity I had left after all this, and they've been there ever since. I still have them. I'll go to grab a popsicle and be like, oh, hello, tofu eggs. I don't know.
Hello,
Even though
tofu
they won't
eggs.
hatch, they still feel special. They're my little baby tofus, little baby eggs. I don't want to just throw them away like they're nothing. I'll just keep them in my freezer forever because that's somehow the most sane option I was given. Some people might be like, Jaiden, you should have tried to let them hatch. But you do not understand. I am absolutely definitely not qualified to raise baby birds. I promise this was the best thing to do for everyone. For me, for the eggs, for Ari and Tofu. God knows Ari would have been an awful father. or mother. So that's what I've been dealing with over the past few months. Tofu's fine now. She's essentially back to normal. I have since removed the secret nest drawer they have claimed. I'm sure they weren't too happy about that one, but hey, you reap what you sow. People will tell me, oh, you're the reason I want a bird. And I always think to myself, man, that's unfortunate. The majority of people are not suited to own a bird. Case 1, they can cut through furniture like chainsaws. Case 2, they could lay eggs and curse you to put them in the freezer like the egg murderer you are. or worse. I love my birds with all my heart, but if anyone ever asks me if they make good pets, I turn into the biggest hater. And if you're a good bird owner, you'd probably agree with me. Birds are beautiful, intelligent, loyal companions. But they're also knife tornadoes who can force you to question your own mortality as you spend a fortune on vet bills.
Thanks
Damn.
for watching. Hey, by the way, do you want to see me in person in the flesh?
Well, hell yeah, we do. Oh, God. I don't think I could own a bird. I know Mom had a bird one time when she was younger, and she's like, they just smell the smell they have.
Oh yeah, have you ever been at someone's house that owns a bird? It always smells
Yeah.
weird in there.
Yeah.
It just does. There's nothing you can do about that.
Yeah. I remember she said one time it got loose from the cage and they had a hard time getting it back. I don't know if she ever got it back. That was the one I think maybe that Dad just put in the trash can instead of burying it. Because he called Mom and said that, hey, your bird died. And she got home and looked at went to throw something away and saw her bird just laying there. And she was like,
Well, guys.
that was a story time for you. Sorry. I think that's how the bird.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Well, guys, there you have it. Jaiden's bird, well, Tofu specifically, laid eggs. And we're just going to keep going with the headcanon that Ari is the man. And those were his kids, too. Thank you guys for the continued support. We will see you for the next video. Bye.